Stop wasting money on this mod. If you're looking to tour on the Triumph Street Scrambler, you may be thinking, well, it's a naked bike, and naked bikes come with that problem of not having any kind of protection from the wind. So you might be looking for something to stop that wind buffeting that you experience on the motorway. The idea of the wind hitting your chest, tiring you out more than if you were to have some kind of fly screen or protection like some big BMW touring bikes. Now, I purchased this. This is the SW Motech Fly Screen, and I thought this was the answer to all of my problems, when in reality, it didn't do much, if anything, at all. And the issue is not the fact that it's a bad product. It's definitely got its place within the retro scene, especially if you are looking for something this kind of size. But this 120-pound piece of metal doesn't actually deflect enough wind flow over the top of your body as the rider. You end up just pushing some of it up into your middle and upper chest rather than up over the helmet like you would expect on a touring windscreen. Therefore, you're still gonna get tired, and it is just a complete and utter waste of money. If you've made this mistake, leave a comment in the comment section below. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will catch you next Tuesday. Peace.